Today we're gonna be making cheese sticks. Got some key ingredients, don't you? Yeah. We got our syrup. We gotta use some cheddar product to get the cheese sticks. More cheddar product. Some mayonnaise. Granola bar, water, and we got a cheese stick to make the cheese stick. So let's get into this, huh? So we're gonna start off with the granola bar. These things are hard to cut into. Once you get your slices of granola bar, you gotta scoop it in. To the thing. Let's move on. Next up is the chips. No survivors.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer? Every night, I can feel my leg and my arm, even my fingers. The body I've lost.
Now you add your cheese stick. Sometimes these can be tricky, but it's all worth it for the cheese stick at the end. So we're getting really close to getting it down. Look at that. Moving on. Now we add our water.
I want to break free.
Now we add our Cheez-Its. Want to be a Jeffrey video and then do something weird. Final step, mayonnaise. A little bit. Mayonnaise. Oh, that's what I'm gonna do. Mayonnaise. It's gonna be so good. We're now gonna put it into the microwave.
I do believe that's a toaster oven.
Shut up, boy. We wait. Now it goes into the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, I guess. I don't know, should come out as a cheese stick, huh? You see this? It's a cheese stick. All this god beep space and a cheese stick.
That's what I thought.
See this? Came on a cheese stick. Stop laughing. Wait till you see this. I don't think you're ready. It's a cheese stick. You weren't thinking that, huh? All this space, and it came out as a cheese stick. Tastes like one too.
This is all for bloopers too. For like.
Ew. Is that the remains of the other cheesesteak?
Yeah, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna.
Oh yeah.
It smells so bad, dude. Like, okay, so last video, people were like, "You should have made it. You should have made it." Blah 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 blah. They're like, "You're such a wimp. You didn't eat it." Blah blah blah. I didn't eat it because I didn't want to disgust everybody on camera. Okay. But you know what? You want me to eat it so badly? I will. I will. I'll eat it all up. I won't eat it all up. That's a bad mistake, but. Oh, it's gonna taste so bad. It looks just like throw up too. Gotta get a nice scoop in there.
No. You gotta drink it like a soup bowl, buddy.
A soup bowl?
Yeah. We don't use spoons here.
I thought this was like America. I forgot we're in Asia. You know, in Asia, they actually like at the end it's polite to like take up the bowl and just drink it. What's left, because that's saying like your soup was amazing.
Is that a fact?
Yeah, that is. So I guess we're gonna be like, oh, this soup is amazing, but like we're just trying to show that we care. Thanks for watching this video.
So I'm Aiden, I'm the cameraman, and I'm gonna be drinking this.
You almost just dumped it all out.
Oh.
I didn't drink much, by the way.
Oh my god.
Don't throw up, dude. Dude, go drink some water. Go drink some water.
Oh. Oh. That's the worst thing I've actually ever tasted in my life.
What should everybody do?
You should definitely eat this.
But like, what should they do for like us?
Oh, you guys should like seriously consider liking and subscribing.
For more stupid shit.
Please.
Bye.
Oh.